Hello dear students, welcome to your geography class. We are doing chapter 6, Asia, the largest continent. This is the last video on this chapter. Wildlife, Asian animals. Asia has most diverse and unique animals. Some are thriving, means their population is increasing. Others are facing threats of extinction. They will be completely finished. The first animal is Bactrian camel. This camel has two humps on the back where they store fat. The picture you can see in your book. They can close their nostrils to block sand. This picture I have shown here, that upper picture shows that the camel has blocked its nostrils so that the sand could not enter. Their bushy eyebrows and two rows of long eyelashes protect their eyes from sand and ice. Their eyebrows and eyelashes I have shown in the picture below. They are found in Gobi Desert of Mongolia and China. Means these camels are found in cold deserts. Bengal tiger, also known as the Royal Bengal tiger or the Indian tiger. It is found in India, Bangladesh, Nepal and Bhutan. According to the World Tiger Recovery Program, there are 440 such tigers in Bangladesh, about 155 in Nepal and about 75 in Bhutan. They are less than 2500 in number. Ibex, they are wild goats found in Central Asia, Europe and Northern Africa. They can jump more than 6 feet without a running start, means they don't have to run to take such a high jump of up to 6 feet or more than that. This helps them climbing the mountains. Their hooves are like suction cups, which is shown in the picture above, which help them grip the side of steep rocky cliffs. In the pictures below, you can see that ibex has climbed such a steep slope, and on the another picture you can see that there is a male ibex which has a beard. Next is golden eagle, found in northern hemisphere. Dark brown with lighter golden brown plumage. Plumage means feathers of a bird collectively. They fly at a very fast speed as well as can dive at a speed of more than 150 miles per hour. 150 miles is equal to 241 km per hour. In the picture you can see the plumage of the golden eagle. Barking deer, also known as muntjacs or Maastrani deer. They are called so because of the sound they produce when in danger. Found in South Asian countries. They are solitary. Solitary means they like to live alone, not in groups, and they are nocturnal, means they are active at night. Nocturnal word is used for those animals which are active at night and they sleep during daytime. Javan rhinoceros. It is found on the island of Java, which is in Indonesia. It is rarest large mammal on the planet. Only 63 left in the wild. All lives in Ujung Kulon National Park. It has a single horn of up to about 10 inches. The skin has many folds which acts like armor plating. You can see that in the picture that their skin looks like an armor. Rhinos have poor eyesight but a strong smelling and hearing sense. Komodo dragon, also known as Komodo monitor. It's the largest lizard found in the Indonesian islands. Its size can be 3 meters and weight can be 70 kg. They are powerful looking reptiles. Siamese fighting fish. It is also known as betta. If males are put together in a place like in aquarium, they will fight with each other for their territory. Native to Mekong River basin in Laos, Cambodia, Vietnam and Thailand. It is found in standing water of canals, rice paddies and floodplains. Its lifespan is 2 to 3 years and it can grow up to 3 inches in size. Male fish has more colors than females. That is why it is an important fish for aquarium. Next is siamang gibbon. Dear students, please correct the spellings of siamang. In book the spellings are wrong. It is native to Malaysia, Thailand and Sumatra. It is an arboreal animal. Arboreal means it lives in trees. It is twice the size of other gibbons. It is 1 meter in height and 14 kg. They have 2 digits on foot, means their second and third toes are partially joined. They have large gular, which means something situated on throat. So they have large gular sac. Indian cobra. It is a venomous snake. It is native to Middle East, India, China, Bangladesh and Indonesia. Its length can be from 1.8 meter to 2.22 meters when they are fully mature. They have ring patterns on the back of the neck. It can live up to 30 years. Japanese macaque. It's a medium-sized monkey found in Japan, also known as snow monkey. World's most northern living monkey. They have brown-gray fur, red faces and short tails. They enjoy their time bathing in hot springs. In the picture you can see that they are bathing in hot spring, enjoying their time. So dear students, your chapter is over. Here is homework. Read full chapter in detail and learn technical terms. That's all for now. Thank you so much.